Hi, my name is Neha.
And I'm Faisal. We are two medical students who are working on the HUMANE project, which stands for Harmonious Understanding of Machine Learning Analytics Network. Our goal is to create a consensus statement on what qualifies as a standard MLA paper. Currently, few definitions exist. You have been selected as a member with significant experience and interest in AI learning, and we're excited to have you on board with this project. By taking this survey, you will help our questionnaire become more robust and improve the Delphi process.
We are utilizing this survey to create a checklist that will be used to evaluate each MLA paper in the future. First, we need to figure out what questions will be relevant for this checklist, which is why we need your help. Each section is separated into what a standard paper would include, such as the introduction, methods, discussion, etc. We are capturing your opinion on whether or not you think each question is necessary for the checklist. The scale goes from 1 to 5 along a strongly agree, disagree spectrum. If you have any other suggestions, please write it at the end of the Google form. So now let's go through an example of how this questionnaire should be completed. Question 1 asks if the title is applicable and offers 2 options, yes or no. Some questions have a third option, which is not applicable. These are the options we would have in the actual questionnaire. You would select an option from 1 to 5 based on how relevant you think that statement would be. Some questions are harder than others, like in section 4, in the method section. The first question in the methods section asks if the study design was pre-specified and indicated the characteristics of the data type. Again, you are rating whether or not you think this question is important for the checklist we will be creating, not actually answering the question.
Now that you have an idea of the questions and how they look like, let's have another example here in section 6. So in section 6, the results section, this question asks you to confirm if the study has described the following demographics in their results section. Your answer can range from 1 being that you strongly disagree, which indicates the lowest fulfillment of this question, to 5 being strongly agree, which indicates that the study has described all the needs of this question. Please make sure at the end of the day to complete the feedback components at the end of these sections. Your feedback needs to be as precise as possible with the aim of improving the overall understanding and scope of this questionnaire. At the end of the survey, please add your name, email, and other details if you are interested in being recognized for collaborative authorship.
We thank you for participating in this project.